You may be younger than me, more humble than me, but ain't nobody got more hunger than me. When they gonna tell me what I'm gonna be? I block them out to the side of the beat. And I've been vibing, my mind reside on islands when I be rhyming, riding, and now I finally found it. My sound is
finally coming out the way I mean it when I write it. Every night I'm ripping out the weed and I'ma light it. Working it and now and I don't even get excited. If I had it though I wouldn't care if people like it, but I don't. But I got this with a little dough in my pot. Kids probably wanna go as hard as I do if I knew that I had another option. I'm grinding, fighting, 99, no money. Time is enough, I'm trying to climb it, damn right, I'm out of my mind. I'm moving product, a lot of the pot, I got it. I'm probably not gonna stop it till I get popped with a lot of. So you ain't got more hunger than me, you ain't got more hunger than me, you ain't got more hunger than me, you ain't got more hunger than me. Maybe younger than me, more humble than me, and pummel a beat, more cunning than me. But know one thing, if you coming to me, what? You ain't got more hunger than me.